What's up, guys? Wanting to try out my GoPro, old GoPro, new mic. Just playing around with making some videos. So today I'm going to be showing you my 1979 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. It's going to be a quick walk around. I might make a separate video of the exhaust, how it sounds, maybe a driving video as well. So let's get started. So as I said, it's a 1979 Trans Am. It was a base model Trans Am. Had the Oldsmobile 403. Originally automatic transmission. It's a little dirty. It's not the prettiest car, but it looks good from far away. So from the outside it looks stock. It's got WS6 wheels. It's not actually a WS6 car. It was originally silver. Somebody painted it red before my ownership. So as you can see, some of the quick coat's peeling off, but it's a driver. Fun to drive. Got Viking coilovers in the front, Pro Touring F body, leaf springs in the back with Viking shocks to match. The fun part that I would like to show you is the LS swap. So this is aluminum block 5.7 LS1. It's got 799 aluminum truck heads. It's got an LS6 intake. It's got a firefighter cam from PCM of North Carolina, Mooresville. I made some brackets for the shaker. I didn't want to mount it to the hood. Still wanted that somewhat original look. It still shakes a little bit, but not like it would if it was the Oldsmobile. It's got an aluminum radiator. Radiator initially meant for a Pontiac 400. That was my initial plans. It's got some electric fans. It's got a T56 6-speed out of a 4th gen F body, later 4th gen LS1 car. The console is out of a 5th gen Camaro. Not too hard to get it to fit in there, just making some brackets, kind of bolting everything together. Got my Grip Royal steering wheel. Love the horn button from Endangered. It's got a external electric fuel pump. It's got a pipes exhaust, full 3-inch X pipe. Actually comes out, dumps right before the axle. The over axle sections didn't fit all that great, so it's dumping there for now until I can make some time, get the exhaust to fit how I want it to. So it's a very quick walk around. I have plans for the car. I want to do brakes, rear axle, nice tubular control arms. Lots of plans, not enough money. Get out of here. Love bugs everywhere down here. Alright, well I think that's going to be it for this video. Please like, comment, and let me know what you guys want to see. I'm going to try and get some more videos up, maybe driving out to coffee and cars or car shows or something. Need to enjoy this car more. So, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.